recently I came across an incredible find. The perfect drift car at a ridiculous price, and without hesitation, I made the purchase. So this behind me just here is my 1992 JDM street drift car that I'm going to be building. And believe me, this thing feels like it's 33 years old. The headlights don't work, the windscreen wipers are useless, the doors creak, the power windows get stuck, the seatbelts don't work. So today I'm going to completely freshen this car up, bring it back to life, and then this afternoon I'm going to take it to go get registered. Oh, just a side note, I don't actually need to do any of these things to get the car registered. They don't really do inspections here, but it needs to be done. The first thing on my to-do list was to give it a good clean. After purchasing the car, I had to drive it 13 hours through the countryside back here to Bangkok, and since then, it had just been sitting here for about a week. I know this thing doesn't look that bad on camera, but in person, this thing is filthy and long overdue for this wash. This is great to do. It's actually coming out way better than I expected. The paint's much nicer than I thought. It's been resprayed at some point, but it's in a lot better condition than I thought it was. Turns out it was just filthy. I wanted to give this thing the ultimate clean, and the idea of all of this is to make the car feel like new again, or at least less like a shitty 33-year-old JDM car. Now while I'm here in the car, I'm going to put a bit of grease in the door hinges. They're all just a little bit creaky, as you would expect for a car of this age, and I want that nice buttery feeling when you open and close the doors. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Butter. Alright, now time to start putting things on this. I got new windscreen wipers, definitely need that. New headlights, LED headlights, definitely need this. One of my rear indicators doesn't work, so I'm just going to replace both those bulbs. I've got a battery clamp. The battery's not clamped in, it's just sitting there, which I don't like. And then the seat belts out of my Hilux, which hopefully will fit. I think they would. Anything is better than what I have in there at the moment. The ones in there basically do nothing right now. Right, now for the moment of truth. Oh yes! Seatbelts! That feels much better. These seatbelts are ugly and I'll replace them with cool ones soon, but this is much better than driving around with basically nothing. Well, this is no wonder these things didn't work well. There's quite literally nothing left here. It's completely worn off, so that's why it wasn't very fun driving home in the rain. These new ones were green. I didn't know I ordered green, but they look kind of cool. I kind of like it. I quite like these mats. I want to try and bring them back to life if I can. I think they're from an R32. I think R32s have the checkered floor mats. If anyone knows, leave me a comment, because I've been racking my brain trying to think. Pretty sure it was the R32. Anyway, I've got this. This is supposed to be a really good carpet cleaner. I'm gonna give these a good clean, give them a wash, and hopefully bring them back to their former glory. You have to check this out. Rarely am I this impressed with a product. Check out here, you can see the little bit that I've cleaned just here against where I haven't cleaned, and I've done nothing. I literally just sprayed it on, and it's amazing. Alright, I have an idea. I don't know if it's a good one, but it's an idea. Look how good this came up. Can't believe this. That's incredible. Look at that difference. That is just unbelievable. All right, we're heading down a rabbit hole now. To get to the headlight globe, I needed to remove the battery. When I removed the battery, the engine bay was dirty, so I thought, I wanted to clean it eventually anyway, not necessarily today, but it was filthy in there. So I started cleaning in there, and now I want to clean it properly. So what started as an easy headlight globe swap is now, let's get into it.
Cleaning an engine bay is quite a difficult process. You need to be really careful with the water. I was sure to cover the alternator, air filter, fuse box, and a couple other bits and pieces, and got stuck right into it. The switches for all the power windows work, which was unexpected but a nice surprise. They were sticky and slow, however, and I wanted to fix that. When you think about what makes an older car feel old, a lot of it is as simple to fix as cleaning and lubricating parts and replacing any rubber parts that have perished.
Alright, so right now I am on my way to the DLT to get my car registration sorted. Hopefully, like when I transferred the registration of my Hilux and when I renewed it, I used an agency and I didn't have to do any kind of vehicle inspections. But I'm not sure for this. If they do any inspections, I don't know if the car's going to pass. But if it's anything like the last couple of times I've been, there was no inspections and we should be all good. I am going to use that same agency and hopefully we can get this sorted quite quickly. Alright, so we are all done. I am through the inspection. We passed. Everything is all good. It is basically a drive-through inspection. They don't really check that much of the roadworthiness of the car. It's more about matching up the numbers. They check the VIN number and the engine number, match it to what was in my book. Now, if you are buying a car or transferring a car, don't do this yourself. I used an agency. So these guys are just driving in. Just as you're driving into the DLT up near Chatuchak, and this service is amazing. I've used them for everything that I've needed to do. They only charge 150 baht for their service, and you get to expedite the queues. I don't have to wait inside. There's someone in there doing all the final paperwork for me now, and this whole thing has just been a breeze. So I paid 4,450 baht total to do everything. That includes transferring the registration into my name, updating the book, and the compulsory third-party insurance that you need to get. All of that altogether, 4,450 baht. So if you are buying a car or transferring a registration or anything, use this service here. They are amazing.